Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be following a celebrity makeup tutorial today. In today's video I will be following the makeup tutorial by Ariana Grande, which I think she did in 2012. I believe it was 2011 or 2012, because she was doing a lot of acting before she became a singer. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be playing this in the background, and then I'll be recreating the makeup look that she does. I think it's a soft glam one that she's done. Anyway, let's get right in this video. Prior to filming, I as always went in with a bit of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and then did a moisturiser prior to filming, so this should give me a nice hydrated dewy base. That being said, let's get right into doing this.
Just mix it in with your skin. I use my hands.
I can relate to that, Ari. So what I'm using is the Daily Protection in shade number 2, because I'm doing an Ari look. I usually tend to go in a shade deeper. And I'm guessing
Makeup on like a 5-year-old doing an art project.
But I think I do have days where I feel like I am doing exactly that. Bit on my forehead. Music that I hear was reminiscent of the ones I used in my face vlogs.
That helps a lot. That makes everything a ton better. And you don't want it to be too cakey or too much.
No.
So that's why I put moisturizer on first. Like I put a thick layer on first so that you can just like mix it in and it's not too much makeup for like a everyday look. I haven't decided in this video whether I'm doing an everyday look or gotta cover them.
I'm hoping I'll cover mine.
Sicilian Italian bags I was blessed with. Pack it in there.
Oh, she's Italian. I wasn't sure she was if she's Spanish or Italian.
Wipe this off my hands on the nearest.
Yeah, I'll do the same.
Use clothing or the rug. That works too. I got some foundation on my lips, so I'm gonna put because I look like
Might press me out together and do the same.
Okay. By the way, since I already had mine on, my eyelashes on from filming yesterday, I recommend doing lashes first. That's the weirdest thing in the world, and nobody else would recommend that, but I don't use a lot of powder.
Neither do I.
I put some bronzer on.
Yeah.
Then bit.
You got the same bronzer as me. Now this is where the fun really begins.
And make sure you get like your neckline.
That might be a bit tricky since I'm wearing a high neck dress.
Brush your eyebrows.
Okay, I might do the spoolie. Oh, and I've got a hair. I'm like nearly flick myself with me hair.
So wrong. Okay, so now that our eyebrows are brushed and our foundation is on, I have this brush, Anastasia. It's this on this side and it's that on the other side. This is what I use on my lid, and then this is what I put in the creases. My eyeshadow that I use is this Too Faced palette.
Might see if I can find a suitable brush. Might use this one.
It's Cocoa Puff and Honey Pot.
So the one I'm going to be using today is the Clinique High Impact Shadow Play, because I feel like this is the closest one to what she's using, because it's dual-ended.
I'm going to put that on now, this lighter color, and put it on my eyelid. Ew, there's so much in there.
Don't think I can remember what the shade is from what I can
I
see.
don't usually use a lot of eyeshadow. I usually
Neither do I, but I think what I can see in the picture, it looks like it's a shimmery champagne colour. I mean, so that I probably won't be able to spot because it's 2012 and the picture's a bit distorted, but I have a feeling that this is a pretty close match. And because we're two completely different coloured tones, it might show up differently, so...
I just let my eyelid, I usually just don't put makeup on my eyelids. It's so weird, I'll just use like the darkness of my tired eyes as my eyeshadow. But I'm doing a makeup tutorial, I figured I'd go all out.
Yeah, good idea. I've done that many a day.
Honey puff, cocoa puff on my face now.
Well, that looks awful. I might go in with a bit of white.
Okay, so next I'm going to put on some of this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, color Corrupt. It's like a chocolatey brown color. I spilled everything everywhere.
So I might just use
I
this.
broke my sharpener open and everything fell everywhere. So
I might just use the sponge applicator on here to draw a line. And then I'm going to take a smudger brush to blend that out.
So now I'm going to put on my mascara. Eyelash is the most important. I use Clinique. Ew, look how dirty it is. Ew. Clinique High Impact Mascara in a green bottle.
Oh, hey, another match. Funnily enough, I've got that one. A couple of coats of that.
I'm going to put on some blush.
Me too.
As blush, I use this MAC pink color
I'm going to use Bourjous Golden Rose.
on my cheeks.
And watch me make this ugly fish face. Oh, hey, I've got bronzer all over, so...
And I just broke it.
Oh, man.
Broke it.
You just press the see-through bit in. I might blend out the rest of the face.
Lip liner from Inglot, and it's called Soft Precision Lip Liner, and I use number 74.
So I'm going to use the Kiko Milano lip liner in shade 03 because it's similar to the one she's using. She's going for like a pinky look today, so I'm going to line my lips with this. It's hard to do this and talk at the same time. Oh man, I just took it too high. And then what lipstick going in with? Is it a...
It's called Fuchsia Forever.
And then the lip she's using is a Maybelline one in Fuchsia Forever. I believe it's called, is it Rosie and Slay now? Or is it, it's a similar name. I think they've renamed it because I mean this was 2012 that this was created. So I'm going to go in with this Kiko Smart Fusion in 458. And that, guys, is the completed look. Now this was interesting to do, bearing in mind this is only... It's only like the first week of February and I don't normally go in with my porcelain shade number 2 in until at least probably middle of May. But it was interesting to get that out and see what this was, because with it being an RE look I had to like go in a shade because I have tried using this in with the Benefit Hoola and it just went disastrously wrong. So I thought if I went in a shade it will make more of a suitable match. But I think this is a really nice makeup look as well, so and it's something that I could do pretty much every day, and it was nice to revisit some of the Ariana Grande stuff that she did. I have my whole series of covers that I did back in 2022, so if you'd like to watch that, that will also be available to watch on my channel if you want to see a rendition of an RE song. It was nice to relive my childhood of it. Was I like kind of late to the whole Ariana Grande thing? And because I'm trying to think what channel she did. Was it Nickelodeon? I believe it was either Disney or Nickelodeon. So it might, and then again, acting or doing kids telly is probably what got Ariana Grande famous. And then I did give it a whirl, and I prefer when she did, I think it was iCarly, and then she did a crossover series with someone from Victorious, and then it was just something that I really enjoyed because at least you get to see the best of both worlds. So I'll definitely give this a 10 out of 10. In the meantime, guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me doing a one that I don't think I have done a following a celebrity makeup tutorial before, and it's something I am looking forward to doing again on my channel. The next one I will be doing is the Sabrina Carpenter one. I'm thinking about doing Sabrina Carpenter, bearing in mind she did win 2 Grammy Awards on... By the time you're watching this, it'll be on Sunday, so I'm not sure if it's still Monday in America. So later on in the week, I will be doing following a Sabrina Carpenter makeup. But I think it's a short video that she did, and it'll be on a loop, so I'll be like playing that again on my laptop, and you'll be able to hear it. If you would like to watch the original Ariana Grande video, that is available in the description box below, and all credit to the original creators. In the meantime, guys, smash the thumbs up button if you would like to see more content like this. Comment and subscribe down below, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching.